My work is about the relationships between the artwork and the public, oftentimes through machines, through digital sensors.
For us at BMW, artists are seismographs of society, sensing the way ahead and voicing it. And this mindset is key for our engineers and designers for our brand.
What fascinates me the most about Rafael's work is that it's all centered around the human. Without the human, there is no art. And this is quite similar to our approach at BMW, because without the human, we are just a machine. And when the customer is coming towards the car, it's getting alive with light and sound.
We're presenting this interactive installation that measures heartbeats together with an intervention into the i7 that uses the same technology. It's called photoplethysmography. So there's a connection between the artwork itself of Topology and an intervention that we did on the car to bring into relief the connection between the two. I'm delighted to be presenting Topology on the occasion of Art Basel. It's something that took us a long time to design, and only when you see it live do you get that sense of immersion. And it's a bit overwhelming. I'm very pleased with the result.